Tell me your destination, so I can be the same. There's been no communication, and they must be the same. This car, that's train, this lonely bus will carry you past me on time. And won't you tell me your destination, so I can tell you mine. Let my sorrow breeze past me as I drive through the night. Let the glow of a misty moon bring your memories into sight. Got no complications, don't have to be on time. Won't you tell me your destination, so I can tell you mine? Tell me your destination, so I can watch for trains. Meet me at midnight station, somewhere down the line. I staked out all the bus stops and the all-night gas stops too. Won't you tell me destination, so I can watch for you? Found out your destination, I'm not so far away. I've traveled so many roads now, only another day. I hit the road at midnight, I made the coast by 4. Now I know your destination, look out for me at dawn. I'm here at your destination, I travel through the night. Picked up fuel at Roxford and got in just before light. I'm standing in the sunlight, smile upon my face. Now I'm at your destination, don't know a better place. Don't know a better place.